Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For thoughts are fine, big thumbs up. Going to HEB right now. Had to catch up with my dad, but on this side, had to record. I'm recording now. It clicked off. I have it on the camera, but it shut off. 15 minutes. If you're not doing nothing with it, it will shut off. So.
Recording now?
Yeah. Today is a really good day. Today is a good day, guys. I have come out at my old school today, and I gave something to my old teacher too. I gave something to my old teacher today, Twix and some Sour Jacks. No onions. Not a. Oh. Oh, jeez.
My favorite onion pack.
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
All in your mind. The onion thing,
Oh, so you have your hand on the brake too, huh?
Hands always in the
I'm moving over because of the grass right there.
No, you're supposed to run into it.
Hopefully we have a fadeaway, you know? Or we won't have to stop because of your saying.
I shouldn't have said anything to Anthony about my tires. As soon as I did, guess what?
Oh.
Look at it, flat. You know?
I know.
Something messed up, huh?
Yep.
Grinds gears too.
Huh?
This thing grinds gears too.
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah. I hear you, dogs. The
People think.
puppies, huh? You got the air pump with you?
Yeah.
Aye. Just enjoy the ride and relax, guys. Look at the view. The thing about having a bike, you go around the beat bumps. You go around them. That Hey, you wanna know what a good thing is? You with bikes, you go around them, you know? You know? Having a bike a good thing because you go around speed bumps, you know?
Yeah.
Because you can. Because you can, but you have to go in someone's yard to do that. And sometimes it will mess up people's yards. People in a rush.
No, he honked at me because I kept going. I have the right of way.
Yeah,
Then he honks at me because he wants to turn.
and female driving.
I think she's got a person, like for real, stick up her butt or something. She
Yeah,
didn't have a turning signal on, so how am I supposed to know
No.
to turn it?
I know.
Learn how to drive. Maybe I'd understand what you're doing.
That's the bad part about in Houston and all over the place.
That's why I don't want a driver's license no more.
That's the bad thing about having in Houston.
That's why I don't want to go get my driver's license anymore.
Yeah,
I used to have a driver's license until that